Tubz exclusive, tip top engineering. No, a low limit. Let's see, I do my put a hole in it. It's the start, we're still winning, so it not finish. Upgrades for bigger whips and bigger sticks. Me not hitting licks. Start with a C and get some bigger sticks. But we just start with this, what them think we're killing it. Steve Simmer brilliant, fucking can't believe we hit a million. Mike's get a 23, summer shit's gangster. In China, half a brick funds, on that's banter. Smoking at the whip, that's a ride for the cancer. Fuck it, never think of C22 anyway. Get up any day, that's what make the block, just no guns at it anyway. Get funds every day. Remember being young, just trying to put that 10 away. Running round dumb on a kill with a fed that said careless in our every way. Know the PG's just a list full of heavyweights. Heavy shit. I'm a PB hit, that's me, I see you at the heaven gates. Meekz, money team, I bet them not forget the name and lettering. Me need a mill for every letter and I'm a second name. Reeling, I'm a veins, I'm in a playing games. I need a villa out in a Spain. Like my panda run the one, trying to get away. I'm trying to cop it anyway. I know them my flights, I've realized I'm not a country, just a jet away. But if I'm stuck to the block, I bet me getting paid. Load tax to the face, have your bitch smoking, get up bending over backward, get a fit mode. And hyper mode, sports mode, me in a diff motion. They'd have to cool off, sell a few bucks from a few spots. Get me out in a Cali, out in a Dover near the docks. Thinking when we hit stop, feeling Curtis from a cocky with a box. Me trying to fill a box, me mean a whole pallet. But when it lands, crack the pack and just smoke on it. They let a bitch taste it, let her choke on it. She take hood to the face and a vomit. Yo, relax, take your time, go slow on it. Me love the trap, me hate the trap, my neck door from it. No cap shit, trap phones, blow before this rap shit. If you know me active. Me now to send a text to make a pack flip. Selling tic-tacs, I owe me learn the tactics. Nyam shit and stack shit. Blow a Mazaline to make the trap sick. Boondock spot pick me. Banjo doing backflips, wrap it in elastics. Me no need for make up this rap shit. Shit has really tapping, I no cap up in my caption shit. Yeah, me need me a mansion. Been cheer hitting fiends on the landing. I'm gonna write them show love, now I'm rapping, no capping. Me get the new sounds, them niggas sounding old fashion, miss a laughing. Don't grab him, pissed if you think it not happen. Me send them foreigners to go and grab him. Me sick rapping, kidnapping, overlapping. Bitch rappers, big patterns, put it on my life, this shit happens. Say less, man off to say more. Trap funds booming like a claymore. Them times we used to pray for kicking off doors. So you think me really come for Tubz exclusive tip top engineering.